New York City, 1978. A young woman steps off a bus. She has a small bag. She has big dreams, and she has only $35 in her pocket. Her name is Madonna. At that moment, nobody knows her name. Nobody is waiting for her. Nobody believes in her. But she believes in herself, and that changes everything. Early life. Madonna was born in Michigan. Her full name is Madonna Louise Ciccone. She was a smart and strong girl. Her mother died when Madonna was only 5 years old. This changed her life forever. She felt pain. She felt alone. But she also became independent. She worked hard in school. She loved dance. Dance was her passion. She received a dance scholarship to study in college, but she wanted more. She wanted New York. She wanted to become a professional dancer. Arrival in New York. In 1978, she moved to New York City. She later said, "I came to New York with $35 in my pocket. It was the bravest thing I ever did." New York was not easy. She worked at Dunkin' Donuts. She worked as a waitress. She worked as a model for art classes. Sometimes she did not have enough money for food. Sometimes she slept on friends' floors. Life was hard, but she did not quit. Every day she went to dance auditions. Every day she practiced. She was not the best dancer, but she was confident, and she had something special: energy, fire, ambition. Discovering music. Slowly, Madonna became interested in music. She joined small bands. She began writing songs. People noticed her strong personality. She was different. In the early 1980s, she recorded her first songs. Music producers were not sure about her, but Madonna believed in herself. In 1983, she released her first album, Madonna. It was a success. Songs like Holiday became popular. Suddenly, people were listening. Becoming a star. In 1984, she released her second album, Like a Virgin. Everything changed. She performed at the MTV Video Music Awards. She wore a wedding dress. She sang Like a Virgin. People were shocked. People were excited. The performance was bold. It was different, and it worked. Madonna became famous. Not just famous, global. Strong and controversial. But success was not easy. Many people criticized her. They said she was too bold, too different, too provocative. But Madonna did not change. She controlled her image. She made business decisions. She built her brand. Album after album became successful, like True Blue, Like a Prayer. She became one of the best-selling music artists in history. But remember, she started with $35. More than a singer. Madonna did not only sing, she acted in movies, she directed films, she wrote books. One famous film was Evita. She won a Golden Globe Award for that role. She constantly changed her style: pop, dance, electronic. She reinvented herself again and again. That is one secret of her success. She never stayed the same. The mindset. What made Madonna different? It was not only talent, it was mindset. She believed, if you want something, work for it. If people say no, try again. If they doubt you, prove them wrong. She once said, "I am tough, I am ambitious, and I know exactly what I want." That confidence helped her survive New York. That confidence helped her build a career. That confidence turned $35 into millions. The lesson. Think about this. What if she stayed in Michigan? What if she was afraid? What if she listened to negative people? The world would never know Madonna. Sometimes success begins with a small amount of money, a big dream, and no backup plan. Maybe you're learning English right now. Maybe it feels difficult. Maybe people say your accent is not perfect. But remember this, Madonna was not perfect. She was determined, and determination is stronger than fear. Final message. A young woman arrived in New York with $35. She had no home, no job, no connections, only belief. Today, the world knows her name because she refused to quit. Your dream may look impossible today, but every success story begins the same way, with one brave step. What is your $35 moment?